What's going on, guys? I'm actually on my way right now to go get the truck tinted up, and it's at one of my friend's shop. It's about a 45-minute drive, but he's really hooking it up with the price. And so what I want to be doing is on the rear, on the passenger, on the rear doors, and on the rear glass, I want to be doing it 5%, and then on the front doors, I'm going to be doing legal tint, which legal limit over here in Texas, it is 25%. But they're going to be putting on 30% because if they ever test to see if your window tint is in compliance, the machines that they use is actually a little bit off. So you don't want to put 25%, and then when they test it, it comes out to like 22%, and then you get a ticket. I know it's real dumb, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do to stay away from a ticket, right? But it's all good. Like I said, it's gonna be about a 45-minute drive, and I'm gonna try to get some footage of them putting it on, and then before and after. So I'll go ahead and see you guys there. All right. Got home from getting the truck tinted. Let's take a look at it. Like I said, got legal in the front. Still see through it. I don't know how good it comes out on camera. 5% in the rear. Can't see through it unless you get really close to it and like put your hand, try to look inside, but even then you don't get a clear view. And from the rear, since the windshield up front, you're able to see like if there's only like head movement. And you can see the rear view mirror. And then from the front, since there's not as much sunlight in there, you just see the passenger seat and the driver's seat. See, there's pretty good how it looks like right there in person. Yeah, it looks pretty good though. Overall, gives you a whole lot better look than before with that purplish looking tint. Take a look from inside. Nice. And then from the inside, it doesn't look that dark on the 5%. And I'll take a look from the rear. See, it's not too dark from the inside. Gives it a whole lot better privacy in here. Alright, so these are the LEDs I'm going to be installing from Super Bright LEDs. To be honest, it's the only company I even buy LEDs from for a couple of years now, because I tried other companies and they just don't compare. They don't last as long, the quality isn't there. But these right here, you would not be disappointed. Price isn't the cheapest, but you get what you pay for. But basically, the LEDs I'm going to be replacing are in the climate control, and it's going to be in the gauge cluster. and as well as the glove box. But all I have here, for the most part, see here, is all going to be natural white. It's just pure white. It's not that cool white with that slight blue tint, but just got a whole bunch of them. Got a little bit extra too, just in case for the future. And got these for the gauge cluster, and as well for the climate control. I did get 3 different colors for the glove box, just to play around with it. The first thing I got to do is take out the radio. So I bought the radio removal kit off of eBay from Scosh, from a vendor there. And I also got the other type of radio removal tool for like the European cars, which together is only like $6. Alright, so I got the radio off, which took forever because, I don't know, those clips on the radio, let me see, I'm for sure bending these, so I never have to do that again. That sucked. But anyways, time to go ahead and take the rest of the dash off. Go ahead and take the black bulbs out. I took out one already. Just take out the rest. I need some pliers. Go ahead and twist them off. And these are the 194s. Real high quality. Go ahead and get the LEDs and just twist them in. See if we get a quick shot of what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. It just has a little, it doesn't reach the top. You know, these are 360, but I know could miss certain spots. I'm gonna go ahead and check the bulb, so just make sure. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Looks pretty good. Looks OEM, but way brighter. And also the dimmer still works. And that's all the way bright. Way better. I'm gonna go ahead and check that one bulb real quick and change out the light for the glove box. And it's as simple as just get in the glove box, bend the corner in, and do it for the other side. I did the other side so I could do it with one hand right now. And don't let everything fall out, but reach behind here. Just grab the bulb and then just switch it out. Alright, and there is the cool white. Looks different than the natural white. The natural white looks more like this, real bright. This one has like a bluish tint to it. I do have some LEDs on back order, and it's just the amber 74 LEDs that are on back order, because I want to do all the little wait to start, the ABS light, you know, little things. Got these for the dome light, for the, well, I have the main dome light LED in there, but I need the little map lights, so I got 4 of those in the same natural white. And then I got the blue 74s, and these are gonna be for the let me see, for the climate control. Climate control is gonna be blue, because if I just put the white ones in there, it's still gonna look that green color like Ford always has. And yeah, I didn't think climate control would look good in blue. If anything, it would look good in white, but like a bright white. But obviously, like I said, it's gonna look green. And these are green for the turn signals, the indicator. Actually, another blue one for the high beams. I got all these red ones for the battery and all the other I got a little bit extra just to have them, just in case. Alright, now these LEDs, the little 74s, I got the 360 all around. I got 3 LEDs on it, if you can see that. Top, and then 2 side ones. And then these have resistors. That's why I like super bright LED. That's what sold me to the company, was that they have resistors, and the other LEDs that other companies have, they don't have resistors, and they only last for maybe a few weeks, then they start blinking and then they just burn out. Alright, so inside the truck, it's finally dark now. The glove box I had changed out to a cool white LED. Nice and bright. Super bright. And then I got on the dome light, the little map lights here are all working. Let's see. See, they work real nice. Perfect. Same for the rear. I don't think I gotta show you guys, but you guys know. Now, go ahead and show you guys the lights on the cluster and the climate control. There it is for climate control. I wish the heat section on here would have came out red, you know, but it's whatever. It's all blue for the most part, kind of reddish, but that looks real nice, real low key, especially for climate control. To me, blue just shows, you know, cool AC. But here it is, the gauges. Now, I did do some of the red LEDs. For some reason, the seatbelt one isn't working and the brake one, but my dad said that one hasn't worked before. And the seat one is because he undid the seat and put a different buckle on it, so the connections don't match up. And I found out for the little part up here that's a little dimmer than the rest of them is because there's another small LED, like a 74, and it has a white, what do you call it? One of those white clips, you know, I don't know how to explain it, but it's a smaller LED, light that lights up for the mileage, and that's the one that is responsible for lighting up the top section of the gauge cluster. So maybe later on I'll go ahead and change that out when I order some more LEDs. But for now, it looks fine. The stock on a truck, when all the lights are working, it looks pretty much like this, you know, and that would be what OEM. Put the bright LEDs. Looks like that, and like I said, I changed some of the red ones, not the amber, because I still gotta wait for some of those, and I'm pretty sure you guys understand what they look like. Now for the red LEDs, nice and bright. Let me see if it, for the door jamb too, door ajar, nice and bright. That's what they look like. And I also did the turn signals with the green LEDs, real bright. And for the high beams, a blue LED. And that's pretty much it, guys. For the brake light, it's probably just the switch not working. Once the switch works, but for now they have the factory bulbs in them. And because I'm not sure if they're flipped around, but quick look again, climate control. Gauge cluster, and glove box. If it'll focus, there it goes right there. And for the dome light, natural white, and then got for the map lights. Well, alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me just giving back to my dad the best way I really know how, to be honest. But I know he'll enjoy these little things. I know he hasn't seen the truck this clean in years, really, to be honest. And I know he'll like it though. I got one more thing I would like to do to the truck for now, and just really present to him the truck as it's modified. And it really starting to come together and starting to look a lot better than before, and I know he'll enjoy it every time he gets in the truck. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hopefully you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright?